The calendar says it's fall. The numbers say real estate isn't slowing down. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Homes for sale in the East Bay during October were way up compared with this time last year. In fact, there have been more than 2,000 homes for sale each month since May. Prices did jump compared with September, yet they were still down slightly compared with last October. Sales were unseasonably hot during October, way up compared with September and this time last year. Let's look at local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere, especially in the smaller communities: Castro Valley, Newark, San Lorenzo, Union City. Prices, mixed. Alameda, Albany, Castro Valley, Newark, Oakland, all down. Up everywhere else. Sales, up almost everywhere. Alameda and Newark both up more than 60%. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale, mixed. El Cerrito and Pinole both down 45% or more. Prices mostly down. San Pablo dropped 17% to $537,500. Sales, mixed. Hercules and Richmond both down, up everywhere else. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mostly up. Clayton, 18 for sale. Concord, 84. Pleasant Hill, 29. Prices mostly up slightly. Clayton, Pleasant Hill, Walnut Creek, all in the million or more range. Sales, mixed. Concord and Martinez both down. Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek both up more than 20%. Next, we're in La Miranda. Homes for sale, up. Lafayette, 41. Orinda, 31. Prices, up. All around or more than $2 million. Sales, mixed. Moraga up, Orinda down. Let's go to the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, mostly up. Pleasanton, 56, and San Ramon, 38, both up 40% or more. Prices, mixed. Alamo tops $3 million. Pleasanton and San Ramon both down slightly. Sales, a little mixed. Danville and Dublin both down. Pleasanton, 49 sold, up 75%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Antioch, 149, up more than 40%. Big increase in Discovery Bay. Prices mostly down a bit. Antioch, Discovery Bay, Pittsburgh, all down. Sales mostly up. Brentwood, 69, and Oakley, 40, both up 60%. Last thoughts. We've been predicting a busy fall. Why? More homes on the market, overall prices trending down, and frankly, people still want to buy homes. In fact, there have been more than 1,000 pending sales each month going back to July. The holidays are coming, yet sellers and buyers are still in the market. We'll see you next month.